Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to WebBuddy. Today, we are diving into the incredible features of the OnePlus 12 Pro, the latest flagship from OnePlus. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our tech community. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the camera system. The OnePlus 12 Pro boasts a pro-level Hasselblad camera system. The primary camera is a mighty 50MP Sony's LEAD808 with optical image stabilization (OIS), ensuring crisp and stable shots. For studio-level portraits, we have a 64MP 3x Periscope Telephoto lens and a 48MP ultra-wide lens with a 114 degrees field of view, capturing stunning perspectives. Performance. Now, powering this beast is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, providing elite, long-lasting performance. The software-assisted platform optimization ensures a smooth experience, allowing you to keep apps active for up to 72 hours without reloading. And for the gamers out there, you get up to 3 hours of heavy gaming on a single charge. Display features. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus 12 Pro features a pristine 2K 120Hz Pro XDR display with advanced LTPO technology, delivering brighter and more vibrant visuals. The Aqua Touch technology allows you to swipe effortlessly, even with wet hands, making it a versatile choice for any situation. Plus, it's TÜV Rheinland Eye Care certified for your comfort. Let's talk about the operating system. On the software side, the OnePlus 12 Pro runs on Oxygen OS based on Android 14, providing a smooth and customizable user experience that OnePlus is known for. Charging capabilities. When it comes to charging, the OnePlus 12 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a massive 5400 mAh battery, you can amp up your power with wired 100W SUPERVOOC charging. It also supports ultra-fast 50W wireless charging, giving you the flexibility you need. You get up to 19 hours of YouTube playback on a single charge. Now let's discuss about emphasized longevity and connectivity. With an ultra-flagship CPU and up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the OnePlus 12 Pro is built for long-term fast and smooth performance. The dual cryo-velocity VC ensures improved heat dissipation, and its TÜV SUD 48-month fluency rating is certified, with an improved battery health engine. Plus, enjoy smoother and more stable connectivity with dual SIM dual active, Wi-Fi 7 ready, enhanced Wi-Fi, lower gaming latency, and reduced network recovery time. Conclusion. There you have it, the OnePlus 12 Pro, a powerhouse device with pro-level camera capabilities and elite performance. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. This is WebBuddy, signing off.